Okay, today's lesson is general form of a linear equation. So general form is written like this. Okay, so that's in general form. And you will get these formulas that the slope is negative a over b, and the y-intercept is negative c over b. Okay, so we'll see how that works. So example, 2x plus 7y minus 21 equals 0. So that's in general form. So the slope of my line is negative a, so negative 2 over the b value, which is 7. And the y-intercept is negative c. So when I say negative c, since it is negative, then I actually turn it to positive. And then over b, which is 7. And I'm just going to write that as a 3. So graphing this, I'm going to put my y-intercept first, and then I'm going to go down to right 7. And then that would be my line. Okay? I'm also going to connect some things from the past for you. So we also know the x and y intercepts. You'll see all these connections. So if I just rewrite this with moving the 21 over, okay, if I cover the y term, my x-intercept is 21 over 2, which is 10.5. And if I cover the x, then my y-intercept is 3. So you can see that is true, and 7, 8, 9, 10. If this kept going, then it would intercept at 10.5. Okay? I also want to, so we've learned that method. And we've also learned y equals mx plus b, slope-intercept. So what I'm going to do is take my general equation, and I'm going to try to isolate that y. So 7y I'm going to keep. I'm going to move the x, move the constant, divide everything by 7, negative 2 7's x plus 3. Okay? This gets us to the same idea as using these formulas. So these formulas are really, they've done the algebra, what it takes to do the algebra on this. So 3 is your y-intercept, and negative 2 7's is your slope. Okay? So if you do forget how to do this, you can always just do algebra to change it into y-intercept form. Works the same. Okay, another example. 5x minus 3y plus 18 equals 0. Okay, so using the formulas, that slope equals negative a over b, y-intercept equals negative c over b. So negative a over b and negative c over b. So I'm just going to simplify this. So if you have two negatives, you can actually also write that as a positive. And two negatives make positive, and then that would divide to 6. So my y-intercept is 6. And I would go up 3, right, or sorry, up 5, right 3. And that would be my line. Also, if you had left it negative, this would tell you to go down 5 and left 3. So from there, you could go down 5 and left 3, and you would have got to that point. But you can see how it also connects to the same line. Okay, covering, if you want to double check your intercepts. Okay, we would cover that up. We knew that was 6. And if you cover that up, you would get negative 18 over 5. So if you think about where that is, it would be at negative 3.6. So it would be right there, which makes sense. Okay, so that is general form.